we'll show you what we got going on in the shop today. Here are some prints that we did and just kind of wrapped up yesterday, so I'm in the process of boxing those up. I'm not a political person by any means, but we were approached with the problem of, can you print flesh tones? And we said yes, yes we can. So we did that as a contract printing job.
Vegetables and fruits, and they just get delivered here to the website.
So we just did some separations. Hi Michelle. But let me show you the art. So this is the art here. We've been getting some of these pro weed shirts in lately. But it's a cool graphic, I'll say that. It'll definitely be a challenge. We got film coming out over here. This is coming out at 45 LPI. Gonna be a total 8 colors. Here's a print that we did yesterday. Need a little bit of blowing out. Shannon, the shop gnome, slacking on her blowing out, but got assorted colors for this one graphic here. Kind of a crazy, cool looking print. Very creative on their part. This thing's all boxed up. We got weighed. I'll toss it over here for now. We'll ship that out. This order came in today, in which we'll be doing 500 shirts, front and back. Last minute job. Lots of stuff going on today. Isn't that right, Mario?
That's right. Good.
Got the plotter kicking for some koozies. Michelle's doing some wizardry over there. Does it bother you that I'm pointing?
No, I was
Pointing's rude.
Is this less rude? So I'm crushing your head?
To work.
That's a little rude.
Crushing your head too.
Don't crush my head.
And Shannon's playing video games.
I'm waiting.
Get to the email!
Clear. Michelle and I actually just got done going through all the art files that Steve just sent.
Oh, did we get a new mock-up over?
That's what she's been working on.
No, it's not!
Well, in between the plotting.
That's what Apollo's doing.
Would you rather leave them all?
Hey, Steve.
Alright, after a bunch of rain, it is later in the afternoon. It poured down. It was just so loud I couldn't even record anything. I'm starting on some koozies over here, in which I'm just heat pressing them. A couple colors, maybe about 48, 50 of them. We're starting on this order here, which is going to be a 1-color print. Pretty simple order, 48 pieces, and then the back is going to be a 5-color spot process, just to keep some of those costs down. But let's go ahead and get after this. Going through the motions of getting the next job all set up. Got a golden yellow, blue, and we're kind of going in reverse order obviously, but we got red as well, black. Then this is a 5-color job along with a flash. And we're starting out with the white base. We'll show you how it looks. Well, between the weather and little hiccups, and this is some of the things that I talk about often that I'll bring you in for a close-up. As we were starting to dial in the registration, we noticed that we just couldn't dial it in on this blue. Everything else just needed a little bit of a tweak. And it turns out that the screen, there was some sort of hiccup with the RIP software, therefore giving us a huge issue with the registration, which also involves this text down here at the bottom. Long story short, I had to go and burn another screen. We've got screens going for tomorrow. Today just flew by. A lot of it was screen prep today, getting film ready. By the time we leave here today, in the next 15 minutes, we'll have a bunch of screens ready to just hammer out about 3 jobs tomorrow. We got a 500 piece job, a 72 piece, another 72 piece job, and it's going to be a busy day. We're going to try and go live tomorrow if we got some time. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, seeing some of the in and outs of our shop, and we'll see you in the next one.